What is going on, Paradise Crew? Welcome back to the show, family. And if you're new here, welcome to the show for the very first time. It is that time again. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, we got a cruise. And not just any cruise, a carnival cruise. So in this video, we are going to pack for what we're calling a side-by-side, something called a side-by-side. It's basically a cruise for the first 6 days, Carnival Mardi Gras for us. I think it's an Eastern Caribbean or something like that. And then we're going to do, I believe, the Utopia of the Seas, which is going to go to their private island. And so for those of you that have never done a side-by-side before, welcome to this video. There's a lot of issues that come up when packing for a side-by-side, especially if you're flying. How do I pack enough clothes for the, let's call it, first cruise, and then enough clothes for the second cruise? And there's some solutions that we're going to provide for you guys. This video is brought to you by Level 8. But more on them much later. So let's pack for a cruise. Noah's excited. I'm excited. Alyssa, are you excited?
I'm excited.
All right, let's do this thing.
Excited.
So I am a simple guy. I'm just going to pack 6 nights. 6 nights and then re-wear what I like to wear on the first cruise 3 days on the next cruise. Okay, if there's 6 nights, I know I got 6 dinners. I'm going to go throughout the day with some excursions and stuff. So I got a day, let's call it, outfit, if you will. And then I got some sleeping clothes and some gym clothes. I don't know if you guys, 13 days. I'm probably going to pack 15, 16 pairs of underwear because does anyone else besides me pack enough underwear to just in case they crap their pants twice a day? You know what I'm saying? That's what I do. That's just me. So we got the new Level 8 luggage. Alyssa requested this one specifically because it's pretty. It's teal, she said. She loves this one. It's a super slick design. Check this out. There is a little switch that you push down on, and it's going to unlock those zippers. So it's got a cool little code on there. Let's get started with the packing. Is this one Noah's?
We can do it that way.
Noah's got her own luggage. All right, so like I said, if there is going to be 6 nights, that means I'm going to be doing 6 dinners, whether it's in the main dining room, specialty dining. Carnival got some really cool spots, I believe. And Noah wants to say hi real quick. So we're going on a Carnival cruise. Let's just talk about it right here. And they've got some really cool places for dinner. I believe they have Emeralds. They have the main dining room. They've got La Cucina. There's also some place called it's like a mixture between Gigi's and something else. I forget what it's called. Shebang or something like that. So it should be really cool. Also, there's like nights out, bar hopping, like Alchemy Bar and all types of things. So let's count some of these stuff I got. This is almost like a pack with me for a carnival cruise, if you will. All right, it is a year of the sweater shirts for me. They look very nice, very casual, very clean, and they look like very nice. I don't know the word I'm looking for. Dress up, you know what I'm saying? But you can also make them kind of casual as well. So I don't really want to wear a suit. I don't want to really wear a button up and tie. That's not really my vibe right here. Also, it gets hot, so I ain't trying to do that. So the mixture best in between both worlds there. A little cardigan, if you will. So that's 1. A light shirt as well. That's 2. I feel like white goes with a lot. White and black can't really go wrong. Brown shirt. Super easy. Super clean. That's 3. Now, I saw these shirts going kind of viral online. They're kind of like Miami shirts. I don't know what to call them. They're just a cardigan. They're really thick in texture. They look good under a sport coat. But I like wearing them with like some khaki shorts and some loafers. Should be nice. But I'm going to call that a nice casual dinner night. One of those restaurants that are sitting on side like one of the promenades. It'll fit. I promise you it'll look good. If you want to watch the vlogs, click these videos right here. That's 4. Got a brown one. That's 5. Got a blue one. That's 6. And this is what I'm going to do. I always throw in a wild card just in case something happens. I spill something. Noah drops something on me. I just got to make sure I'm good to go. And then this one. This may be my cruise day shirt. I don't know. I wore this on my last cruise day shirt, so I need to go find a new cruise day shirt. Be right back. All right, so I'm going to swap out the cruise day shirt. I don't know what we're going to wear yet. It might be this one because it's nice and light, but I really want to wear my Guys Burgers fan club hat. Always free, all the time. I just feel like it's a fun hat, and if you're going on a Carnival cruise or you know anyone going on a Carnival cruise, it's a really fun hat, especially if you like Guys Burgers. You definitely try one and you become part of the fan club. So I'm going to wear that. I think that'd be a good cruise day hat. But I also have a cruise day hat. So I'm going to bring that one. And finally, we got this Make Cruising Great Again hat, which I think is just super fun to have. So we'll wear that as well. So we'll see. Should be fun. Alyssa, how's it going on your end?
It's going okay. I'm trying to lay on my dresses, and also I like to color coordinate with Noah.
There we go.
So obviously we got these fun Kenny Flowers matchy
Oh, I gotta grab mine.
outfits. I have one of them here. I have this cute Hawaii print matchy.
Here's the one that should go there.
Yeah, that's that one. So we have 2 of these. And then the rest I kind of like to just color coordinate. So I got I have like 3 pinkish dresses, red, yellow, green, and blue. I like to look at the decor of the ship and kind of plan my outfits around that. So I noticed that there are many really cool spots on the Mardi Gras that I would like to take photos. And so I'm trying to color coordinate around those bar and lounge areas.
All right, so here where things get a little interesting, right? I picked out some shirts for dinners, and then I pair those shirts with shorts or pants. Duh, right? But I really only pack 1 pair of slacks. That means I'll be wearing the same slacks over and over again a couple times. Usually 1 or 2 pair of slacks. Got my Hoochie Daddy shorts on. Alyssa really likes those.
Say Hoochie Daddy?
Hoochie Daddy shorts. And then I do a green and the black pair, all right? Also, a lot of this stuff will be linked down in the description box below. Amazon Essentials. I'm a big believer in like saving money on clothes, so that's just my jam. You know, something that I want to add real quick is that the cruise is on Sunday, August 11th, and today is Monday, August 5th. So we're actually packing well in advance, which means it's gonna be good. I'll have time to get a haircut, have other stuff to do. So my gym clothes, I'm actually going to pack those last because I end up working out this week and they'll get sweaty. But I will show you what I'm going to pack for the gym as well. So I've got everything I'm going to wear at night, right? Dress shirts I just showed you. The dress pants I just showed you. I may throw in a second pair of chinos that are like a khaki color. I'm undecided. After that, it's underwear. And I'm not going to show you that. I mean, unless you guys are into it. You guys want to do me a couple like super chats or something to show you the underwear. No? But anyways, gym clothes. So... What?
Can you see her?
Yeah, she got underwear on her head.
She just put my underwear on her head.
That's funny. There you go. That's for free. All right, so gym clothes. 6-night cruise, 2 days at Disney. I forgot to mention that earlier on in the video. And then we got 4 nights in Utopia. We got some cruise wear that I'm wearing from the Carnival cruise on Utopia. She's going to be doing something similar. But for the gym clothes, I'm actually going to bring like 4 or 5 pairs of gym clothes. So shirt, short, shirt, short, shirt, short, times 5. And then once we get to Disney, we'll wash some clothes. That way I don't have to overpack. So I'm really packing for, it feels like one cruise. I don't want you guys to overthink it side by side. Heck, there's some people that pack way less than me. But being a cruise content creator, we like to mix it up a little bit. All right, team, so just like that, I got gym shirts, right? I got 1, 2, 3. I pretty much make that color in reverse, right? Then I do another gray one, another white one, and there's a black one around here somewhere. I do that, and so then I'll have my gym and my swim clothes and 1 packing cube, which I'll show you guys later because they fit all very, very well into this. Right here. Guys, I may have mentioned this in another video, but when we pack for a cruise, but this is, I want to say, our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th level 8 bag, and we all have them. I don't say like this is the one that like we keep buying new ones. I'm saying that we're collecting them all, and we have different colors because it just kind of fits the vibe and aesthetic. This one is super cool. I'm gonna get up and close and personal with you, and I'll check it out. What I really like about this one is the sections that it has, and like a little dry area to keep some of those wet clothes after the beach and or after a swim, maybe the sweaty gym clothes. Sure, we use our own little dirty laundry bag, but for other items, they do have a section for that, which I think is really, really nice. But we're talking about one section right here, which is super nice, where you can keep everyone's clothes. But then you have 2 little Ziploc sections in the center right here, which is awesome. And then there's the opposite side, which another side is available to put even more items. So what's really cool is you can't tell from the video, but this texture right here, it is not cheap. Like it's like a little light velvet. It is very nice. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use these packing cubes to set up each different segment. So the dinner, the nighttime shirts, nighttime wear, whatever you want to call it, it's gonna go in one bag. And then the gym stuff and the swim stuff is gonna go in one packing cube. And we're gonna keep it grooving. All right, y'all. So I don't know which cruise day outfit your boy's gonna roll with, but I'm thinking the flamingo jungle trunks with like a white shirt on top, and maybe the other hat. The whites are a little off, so if that's the case, I might have to go a little off colored there. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if you guys can tell. Might be cool. Might be lame. Just depends what to put it on. All right, so everything's grooving. We got gym clothes, swim clothes, all in a packing cube, all for the set amount of days. I usually only bring like 3 pairs of swim trunks because that's just me. Dress clothes, dress shirts, dress pants, all in one packing cube. And then underwear, I'll end up putting that with like t-shirts, underwear, maybe undershirts, stuff like that, and a toiletry bag. And I will end up calling it quits. Inflatable bathtub for Noah. That'll go on my side. Look at that! So much room still. We still have like... I put my toiletry bag in there, and then Alyssa can put her stuff on this side. And then we have Noah's bag over here.
I guess you're just going to have to watch the vlogs to see exactly what I packed. However, I did get all of my dresses into one packing cube. I changed my mind about the 2 separate ones because we can't find our other packing cubes. And so I decided to just put them all in one and it'll be fine. So this will go in over here. Woo! And good thing we're not flying because this baby is heavy. I have all of my casual clothes in here, plus my gym clothes. I decided to pack 4 pairs of shorts and 4 casual tops, all kind of neutral colors so I can mix and match, which is important. Also, gym clothes, I packed about 4 sets of gym clothes because realistically, in either week, I'm not going to be able to work out more than 4 times. So I thought that was plenty in here. Underwear, socks, and sports bras. Actually, didn't pack socks. And we still have room in this suitcase. Now, I am still missing my swimwear. I am still missing Noah's clothes in the suitcase. And that will most likely go into this carry-on size. So let's go pack this room. So I'm not sure if Colin showed the inside of this suitcase as well, but it's essentially just a mini version of that. So I believe this is a 20-inch and that is a 28-inch. And so it still has these fun little pockets, zipper pockets on the inside, which is real nice. So I packed in here 4 pairs of pajamas. I'm going to end up putting more pajamas in here for Noah because she tends to go through pajamas, if you know what I mean. So pajamas are in here, her casual clothes in here, and her dinner wear, if you will. Also need to pack wipes. Should be enough, hopefully. We'll also pack some wipes in a diaper bag, so that should definitely be enough. And I forgot about the diapers. Typically I put them in that big suitcase, but we might end up just using this suitcase for that. So, once again, I'm still left with my swimwear and Noah's swimwear. Okay, I'm just using the bigger Carnival luggage tag holder, and on the inside I put our Royal Caribbean one. I don't know if you can see it folded. Royal Caribbean one on the inside, so when I'm done I can just take the Carnival off and we can use the Royal Caribbean one. So you really don't have to have a couple different sizes if you don't want them. One size will do, just get the bigger one and then you can just fold the Royal Caribbean one. Anyhow, it'll work. So everything that we talked about product-wise is linked in the description box below. And if you want to follow along on our cruise adventures, check out these videos right here. And we'll see you in paradise.